Hi friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have corner packed these files in CDR for CorelDRAW user, and here is AI for Adobe Illustrator user. One axis is this file in PNG. You can adjust in Photoshop or anywhere. So drag to Adobe Illustrator. Wow. Okay, skip to extract layers, extract groups, and you see I think here is 63 files. Wow, you can edit one by one, you can adjust color, you can change more deeply. For example, I select this color and first you find layer and then you select path. Here you can adjust your own choice or change color. You can see, and these files in CMYK color for printable files. Select here and anywhere you can select it, and here is JPG file, sorry PNG. Drag to Photoshop, click on FX and apply Grand Trans overlay. Depend your own choice. Okay, and create new templates, print file A4 or legal size. A4 is here. You can adjust your own choice, but I tell you, for example, our design is here, and copy layer, press shift or adjust this. So we can make a letter pad or a designs backspace, and opacity is 84. Color is same this color. Okay, and layer is down. Okay, and layer is down. Okay, depend your own choice. You can write your any text here, title here. I tell you just for example, and here is CDR file. I think CDR can't open in Adobe Illustrator. Error. Oh, unknown files. Okay, so I hope this data is useful for you. Subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.